Located on 15 acres with paved road frontage, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home includes lush pasture, 2 ponds, workshop and barn. Priced at only $164,900, this property is priced to sell. The home includes vinyl siding, a new roof, single-car carport, covered front porch and even a ramp for easy access. It also has propane heat and central cooling. The 50 by 24 workshop includes water and electric plus additional parking for your cars and an RV hookup. The property also includes a barn which you can see in the distance. Mostly in pasture, the property also includes about 5 acres of trees. It also includes 2 ponds, with one of them being stocked. The lush green pasture is fenced and cross-fenced. Enter the front door into one of the 3 living areas in the home. In addition to this living room, there are 2 family rooms in the home. Carpet flooring, crown molding and ceiling fan complete this living room. On the right you see large windows that flood this room with a lot of natural light. Notice how many windows there are in the dining room plus the adjacent kitchen. They flood this room with a lot of natural light. The dining room also includes crown molding, hardwood floor and ceiling fan. To the right of the dining area you find the updated kitchen with breakfast bar, hardwood floor and wood cabinets. The appliances include an electric range, exhaust fan, dishwasher, refrigerator, trash compactor and even the washer and dryer. Light is plentiful here too and is provided by the bright fluorescent light and 2 windows. Looking across the bar you see the dining area and the front of the house. In addition to the living room you also have this family room. It has a ceiling fan and carpet flooring. Large and with neutral paint colors, this master bedroom also includes an overhead ceiling fan and 2 windows. The floor in here is carpet. In addition to this bedroom there is another on the main floor that is currently being used as an office. The finished basement includes this large family room with carpet flooring, window and recessed lighting. Notice the room also includes some windows helping to provide additional light. Bedroom 3 is located in the basement. It includes recessed lighting, closet, window and hardwood floor.